If you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then I'm here with a special exclusive discount deal. Those who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger, I will reveal in this video a special discount link to buy plus two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the process is very easy and quick for anyone who want to buy. Just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this at Hostinger where you can buy your hosting. In this video I will also tell you step by step on how you can buy with the special two of the final discount codes to save maximum amount of money at Hostinger, and some of the amazing features which convinced me to buy my hosting from Hostinger. So once you land over here, if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, TrustPilot, Google Host Drive, W Beginner. All of them says that Hostinger is one of the finest hosting company to buy your hosting from. And if you look around on the TrustPilot reviews, because they are clickable, because the others are not clickable. So once you click on the Trustpilot reviews, let me show you some of the reviews to see the feedback people says on when they about hosting or hosting. So 4.7 out of 5 rating, very good. And if you see some of the practical reviews with Hostinger, it is very easy to create your website. An outstanding experience made possible by Laura, and had a query, jump to the chat, and exceptional, you sort it out. And excellent service for beginners, outstanding support from Paulo, excellent support and service. Hostinger has awesome customer service. The company's help team is great and great responsive support. AD was very helpful, highly responsive and accommodating. So you can see over here that the majority of the reviews are very good about Hostinger. Specifically their support has a very good reviews. And this is very interesting. Anyone who want to buy, the support should be a very crucial factor for any hosting company. And if you scroll below, the best thing about hosting is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can buy your hosting with confidence because they have exclusive 30 days money back guarantee. And if you scroll down below, you can see that these are the three most popular plan: premium, business, cloud, setup. And you can see that there is already running a special discount running right now, because you have clicked on a special discount link to buy. But I will also reveal to the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount. But before I reveal those coupon codes, I want to tell you a few features about Hostinger. And the features start with Hostinger has an amazing AI tool through which you can automatically create website. You just have to give the command and it's going to automatically create websites within seconds and going to come with different proposals. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a dedicated website migration service and tool through which you can easily shift your website, and that too free of cost. This is one of the review regarding Hostinger services. This is the control panel, because I've been using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is that the control panel is super easy, super friendly. Even a newbie or even a beginner can operate it and manage it very easily. Also, Hostinger has very fast support and exclusively high speed servers. As security features you are getting when you buy your hosting are just mind blowing. You are getting automatic backups, unlimited SSL security certificates, and Cloudflare protected name servers, which makes it an amazing option. And right now 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And if you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then simply scroll above and simply select any of the plan. But before you select any plan, I recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison and features before you buy any plan. Don't worry, the coupon code is valid on any plan you're going to opt to buy. So once you select the plan which you are planning to buy, simply select the choose plan with any plan you are going to buy. If you ask me, these two premium business plan has almost everything which you may need. I'm simply going to select the choose plan so that it will be now redirected to another page, and on that page we can see the exclusive discount. We can apply the discount coupon code to save the maximum amount of money. So over here you can see that the special pricing page is loaded, and now select your billing period. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods. You can choose any as per your convenience, but if you ask me, I recommend you to offer the 12, 24 and 48 months, because these prices won't appear again, and these are special exclusive price only valid on these plans. It is not valid on a single month plan. And after this, they have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you may be surprised to see that the price which you selected before is going to get for additional discount when you buy with this coupon code. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use to buy your hosting from Hostinger, and that is with the name of EJ10. It's going to take a while over here. So, the issues with my internet finally fixed. Now, the other coupon code is HI10, so you can use either of the coupon code, and you can see that the discount is loaded very quickly at Hostinger. And after this, simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be led to the last page. I mean, sorry, this is the last page, and here you are going to buy. You can see that the coupon code is loaded, discount is loaded. Now, write your billing details over here and simply select the continue over here. Once you select the continue, you will be led to the last part, and the last part is selecting your payment method. Hosting could offer a variety of payment methods. You can choose any as per your convenience. So let's say we're going with a credit card. We can select the credit card. You can also offer the other payment methods as well. Like you can offer the Alipay. You can offer Google Pay. You can offer PayPal. You can use any as per your convenience. The reason I'm going to tell you is that you can use, they offer you so many options to choose on. So let's be going into credit card. Add credit card details and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Australia. If you ask me, I've been using it from the last 4 years, and my main on blog is being hosted on Hostinger, and I highly recommend you guys to buy your hosting from Hostinger with special discount deal. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.